Alright guys, we're gonna fish for trout. It's the youth season or whatever. And we'll let you know if we get any.
Okay, bye.
Oh dang.
Alright, you guys are gonna catch them. Oh, you did?
Oh, I did. I have one. I got one.
Dang.
Doubled.
Doubled.
Let's freaking go. Let's go.
What is it? What kind of fish is it? Caden's is a rainbow. Get him on the shoal. You want me to land yours? I ain't landed or something. Look at that sucker.
Yeah, it's a little small, but that's also good either.
Dang.
Look at that one.
Hold it up.
Those are two beautiful rainbows right on the spinners.
Yeah.
Well, the limit's 3, so.
This one says he's pretty big, but then
If they're like smaller, I'm gonna
like this one.
Yeah.
I just keep it maybe.
So winner, we got some trout for dinner.
Just put him on the stringer.
Hold him up.
Oh,
I wouldn't do that.
all right, I got the stringer, Caden. We'll have to find a spot to put him in. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys. No more trout if we catch them.
I told you this was the trout hole.
Here, just film me. I can unhook it.
Yeah, here. Brody's gonna unhook it because it's too holding a rod and unhooking it.
All right, you need to find like a fallen tree.
Yeah, you're gonna keep it. It has a hole in its head.
I'll find
A hole.
In its mouth. Do you want to keep it or not?
All right, he's gonna keep it.
Well,
Mr. DCam Adventures putting her on the stringer.
Well, there's Brock's,
Well, it's 3 per person, so we can each keep 3.
there's Brock's trout right there.
Yep.
Here, I'm gonna go put him up.
Here, can you? We don't have a stringer. Can we add it to that?
Yeah, put it on. I have this you could use.
First cast.
I know, first thing.
All right, how do we? Brock's has a hole right there. That's how you know. It's
Yeah.
Well, I'll put
He
it through that just so we don't rip.
he took a doo-doo on you.
Yeah, his is a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Let's put it over here. I put it right there.
Bro, we literally got hooked up like the same exact time.
Well, we're gonna
All right.
Oh, there we go. Brock just got a big one.
I was skimming across the water.
How do you feel about that?
Another good rainbow.
I can land them for you if you want, or you can just pull them up.
Holy strong.
You better get them out of that current. You need me to get them?
Oh, that's a big rainbow. Look at that. Oh. Get it. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Chill out.
Oh yeah, that's another good rainbow.
There he is.
Oh.
Okay. There he is. It's a nice little rainbow.
How is it doing that?
We're just gonna release this guy.
Alright, we'll get back to
Yeah. Alright. Well, there's Brock's fish. Look at the cane. Oh, there he goes.
You're letting go?
Yeah, he wants to. Yeah.
If you can find
Back there.
it out.
Yeah, there he goes.
Yeah, oh, no.
Oh yeah, he's healthy. He's real healthy. He's healthy.
Here.
You
Hold
good?
the camera.
Alright. He's healthy. He flew away real quick. Red Bull gives you wings.
No. Too bad. They're like, I wonder if I should eat this. Like, 10 of my brothers just got yeeted.
That was kind of cool how they like swirled it.
Yeah.
Got him? Or had a bit. And you can see it in the water. Head out. Got him.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh. Let it sit. Toss it right out there. Quick. It's probably right there still. Just jerk it in maybe. Oh, let it sit. Just chill. Keep throwing it out there. He's getting mad.
Bro, there's the trout literally just annihilating
That's
it.
the one that kept blowing up right there. He's getting mad. Just like jerk it and be aggressive with it.
I think he felt the fun.
Throw maybe right there again. I don't know. Yeah, he probably felt that. It's right there. Maybe he'll still eat it. Yeah, if you can throw up and under that, probably get him. That just looks like fish right there.
He tucked at it.
What? Okay, do you want to go or?
Okay, and right here is like where all the trout are. Up that brush.
Okay. You want to go? You just want to stay here? There's a bunch.
Alright, stinking just so warped on him.
Dang.
Get your butt over here, son. Jamal, chill out. Chill out, Jamal. Whoa.
And there's Caden's trawl.
Yeah, Freddie, give me your hand.
Yeah,
I'm
this
ready to
one's a
slip.
stock trout. Yeah, he's stuck. Sorry about that.
Rex climbing up the bank.
Oh,
Come here, Jamal.
yeah, I was constantly slipping in.
Oh, you have that rainbow trout spinner. I had 2 of them. I lost them.
So
Dude, that-
far,
Apparently, Rainbow
He
Trout are
look-
carnivores.
he wanted
He
that
looks
thing.
different. Like,
Down in his goal. Oh, wow.
yeah, he's a little bloody.
We might have to keep that one.
Again, Caden's like, oh,
Keep going.
What?
there we go. That rainbow trout flavor. That's what makes me think maybe my jerkbait. That's rainbow trout. All right, guys. Oh, it's jumping. It's a jumper. Brock's over here stealing the show.
Well, I'm trying. I need to. He might tangle you in your line, man.
Is that a bass? No, it's a trout.
No, it's a rainbow. So far, they're all rainbow.
I can't
My
keep-
line's over here.
Oh my.
Yeah, I think you'd rather keep that your golden than that.
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah.
You can't keep. You pretty much.
If you would release that golden, I'd probably start crying.
I would take it.
Yeah, I'd be like, nah, buddy, don't.
Apparently, we can taste the difference between the two.
Unless you want to mount
I
it.
never thought that'd happen.
No, I'm like, it's never gonna bite. It's there, but it's never gonna bite.
They never bite.
No.
Can you unhook it so I don't?
We got to film it. Lift it up to me. If it break, if it lift it up quick.
That's not a bad one.
Chill, Jamal.
He's gonna fall on rocks. That's why I didn't.
At least bro. You have the one I got you. On.
No, not yet.
That
I just
looks
put on
like
that one.
Or, well, it's the same color.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh, you might.
It's the same. No. It's not.
You might have to
No.
age jacket crap up. Chill. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Alright. It's literally
fine.
underneath his tongue backwards.
You want me to? Well, I can't actually really reel it in still.
Oh my gosh. Stop it. We might have to just like this guy might be dying, but we can't keep him.
Well, we'll throw him on the bank for something else to eat.
Yeah, we might have to conk him and just let him.
That looks like a good cast. I'd just get it off and let him go.
Yeah. I'm trying, but it's really in there. Oh, he's bloody. Stop. I know.
All right, I'll get back to you when we catch any more.
It wouldn't be.
Think. Unless it's just coming straight into me.
It is. Is it a stick?
Well, it's coming in and there's tension.
Oh no, I have it.
That was a weird fish.
Yeah, it didn't fight one bit.
Right now, the time.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, please.
I'm gonna grab it by the spinner.
Okay.
You were calling well.
There we go. Out there. Oh, there's a spotter in the water.
Buddy. Okay, I'm gonna hook this fella. Enough.
I'm gonna start yelling. You smoking them. And the trout just goes up the rod.
I was holding this rod for him.
Just keep it.
A nice little trout.
Whatever you want.
No.
Hey, you want him? He's still here. Oh, never mind.
I got a scale on my fingernail.
And dude,
Right,
get it in.
Here,
Oh my gosh, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. Oh my gosh. Here,
Film.
go down, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. Rock, Rock,
go over
don't.
there. Caden.
Thank you, Lord, please.
Where? Right there. It's a good one. Good one.
Oh my gosh, get it in.
Now I have to go over there.
Get in, Rock, reel it in. Don't let it get horse.
Get it right in this pocket.
Guys, Rock caught a rainbow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's a massive. Scoop it up. Get it.
Scoop it.
No!
Let's take it. Go!
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm definitely keeping this fricker. Holy crap. Brody, that's like a 30
Let's bring it up on the bank before he
I'm not
flops
even
out.
kidding.
Oh my gosh. The stinking rooster tail.
Where's the scale?
We're going.
Oh, I have a scale. Well, we're keeping it anyway.
Look at this. Den, open it. Den, open
Dude, I
it.
got that on camera.
Bro,
Okay.
I saw him. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a good
That
one.
my
is an 8-pounder.
Well, I don't know about it. Maybe 2 pounds.
Keep it in the net.
Probably 2
Bro.
pounds. Here. Are you keeping them?
Keeping it. Dude, you want to get that mounted?
Well, that's like $15.
Well, then you
an
can't
inch.
eat them if you mount it.
How much would that be? Like 30?
It's like,
200?
no, it's like $13 an inch. So ever long it is times that by 13.
Like 100 something.
It'd probably be $100.
Well, we can kill them, put them up here.
But dude, imagine that thing mounted. Look, and it has a hook jaw. Oh my gosh.
That's a
dude.
good hook. You're hooking pretty good.
Oh
Dude, give me some knuckles.
my. Your
Oh,
first
yeah.
ever. Give me a knuckles.
Oh my
Hopefully
gosh.
there's more in here and then we
Holy
can try and catch
Yeah,
them.
we.
Dude, this is first ever. It's cool.
Awesome.
I thought it would never bite.
No, I thought it wasn't ever gonna
Bro,
bite.
this thing.
Oh,
Oh,
it
it came out.
Here, here, here.
All right,
I'll
we'll
get it
just-
before it gets too
We'll
hard.
just keep it in the net and
Just maybe set them
we
far up
shouldn't
on the bank.
conk it out.
No,
Well,
maybe the
let's
colors
get a
would go
picture.
bad.
Yeah.
Bro, let's get a picture with it.
Well, I have it on GoPro.
Here, I have the phone.
Yeah, we
Get you a
have.
good picture with that. Maybe no, that can be your thumbnail.
Oh, only.
Alright.
Should I
Oh.
send it to your mom
Here we
right
go.
away?
Let's. I think we should surprise maybe. I don't know. Whatever Brock wants to do.
No,
All right, hook it in the gill so do not damage it. If
Here, get with the creek in the
Oh, you already
background.
have.
Dude, look at the spots on it. That's awesome.
I know.
That's
Is that your first ever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Marlin's is probably about that big. We need to send it to Marlin.
Oh man, he's slimy.
He's a big fly fisherman.
Here, come over here.
Don't drop that thing. Oh, that's at least 18 plus.
Make sure I get pictures.
That is
Alright, get my rod out and I'll
insane.
just take a picture normally.
Here, let me see. Is the other side more colorful? This, like, the line stops.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, flip it over. Well, it doesn't matter. Whatever.
Alright, I got the video. And
No,
then-
the line stops over here too.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty fish.
Over here a little bit.
There's your
Damn.
phone. There's
I
your
got
thumbnail.
so many pictures. You won't. There won't. Are you
Bro.
gonna
Rock
surprise your mom?
Rock your rooster tails in there.
Yeah, let's. You want to surprise your
I-
mom
I-
or send a picture right away?
really
I think
care.
there's another one. I think I see another one.
Oh.
Here, let me
We
cast
stocked
mine.
3. We're doubled.
Haven't filmed like this in a while.
Are you gonna put that in?
Yeah, I'm keeping this one.
This one's a decent one, but I'm not gonna keep it because it's not the biggest.
Here he is.
No.
We'll show him when you get
Sorry, I'm having a case malfunction here. I don't think I can grab it for you. Hold it up in front of the cameras.
Here, I gotta wet
Because
my hands.
when you
That's
hold
what
it up
you
in front
said.
of the... When you
Our
hold
trout
it up...
fisherman says you always gotta wait before you deal with it. Here, come here. See, Kay? They're like stacked up right there.
Just lip it under the gill. That's the best way to do it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's definitely probably 15 inch right there.
Right there. Look at that one.
Hold it in front of the camera for the
Gives you
beat.
a good look.
Go take him in.
Beautiful trout.
Alright.
Get her a good release on him.
Here we go. Dude, this video is gonna be stinking epic. Ooh. that might be wild.
It's a brown.
It is? No, that's a rainbow. That's wild. That looks wild to me. Hold her up to the cameras.
I touched it, but let me bring it over to like something more structural.
Just stand on this big rock.
Like down here.
Bus.
Yeah, they're hidden. They're not in this calm stuff. They're all up in this rapid. Like I caught him like right there. Cause that's where the most oxygen's getting put out.
Yeah, just be careful with him because we're releasing him so he don't die.
He's about 14 inches.
It's a really good trout.
I'm letting him tire out. So.
It kind of looks a little wild.
I'm good. Gotta wet my hands so I don't harm him. Alright.
The best thing to do is just grip him at the tail and then at the.
Out in this stuff.
Yeah.
You can just hold him with two and I'll unhook it. If you want. Okay.
I'll be right behind. Oh, there she goes.
I just got soaked.
Look what he just did to me.
Oh.